Attention, this is the final playoff of the Pebbley Beach Championship Tournament. The contestants for the $25,000 prize are Dapper Dooley of Saddle Sore Junction and Woody Woodpecker, who is for the birds. And now, gentlemen, if you're ready, tee off.
You shoot first, pal.
No, you shoot first.
The honor belongs to you.
Well, if you insist, I'll shoot first.
I'll shoot first. 4! Hole in one. Your turn, pal. Lucky shot. Would you mind being a little more quiet?
This is easy.
Pardon me, did you see a golf ball go through here?
Yes, I did.
The situation is getting tense. Dooley misses, but he makes a quick recovery. Woody has an impossible shot. Will he make it? He did! Here we go into the 18th hole and a breathtaking finish. It's a long, perfect drive right onto the green. And, right on the edge of the cup. Dooley now leads with a neat 60 to Woody's 67. It's a lost cause for the Woodpecker, but he is game. What a shot! But he can't win, folks. It's in the bag for Dooley now. he's sure to win the $25,000.
Tough luck, Woodpecker. Watch this.
And so, Woody wins by 407 strokes.